Hello and welcome to the weekly manifesting report for October 14th through October 20th, 2019. We are in the full moon vibes right now, intense full moon energy coming through from the full moon that was yesterday. And this full moon is bringing through intense clarity, like stark clarity coming through. Lots of stuff coming up to be released and healed, emotions, energy, patterns that no longer serve us. The way to move through this is to stay grounded, to stay centered, and check in with any deep emotions, any powerful emotions, any shifts that you are feeling, anything that even doesn't, that feels uncomfortable, that you don't really want to look at. That's what this full moon is bringing through, a lot of shadow stuff to look at. But when you can sit down and look at that, you can journal your way through it, you can meditate, you can talk it out, you can just look at that stuff and allow it to move through you. You can call upon Archangel Michael to help you to transmute that energy as well. That is going to help it to be released faster, and it's going to help you to up level faster. All of this is helping us to get to the next level faster and more efficiently, and to clear us out so that new, fresh energy can come through, a new, vibrant energy and newfound clarity and perspective on where you want to go, what you want to do, how you want to truly be spending your time, especially over the next few months of this year. Because remember, you get to co-create your life with the universe. You get to co-create your ideal life. And that starts with making those decisions, setting those powerful intentions for what you truly desire, and then staying focused on that, believing in yourself, calling that in, and knowing that you are on the way to massive shifts, massive up-leveling, massive abundance, as long as you stay in that zone of staying focused on your highest vision and allowing all of this shadow stuff to be unearthed and to move through you. So the universe has got you, the angels have got you, you can do this. So that's the overall energy for this week. Now we're going to get into numbers 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and choose any combination of those and let me know what you chose below. If you chose number 1, your message is keep moving forward with focus and intention. So this is confirmation that your inspired ideas, the dreams you've been having, the visions, the inspiration that you've been having, that you are on the right track with this, that it's time to really trust these ideas, trust this inspiration, and trust yourself and trust the universe, and keep driving that energy forward, fueling that energy forward, not giving up, staying on track, believing in yourself, believing in the infinite possibilities, and knowing that you get to have all of this and more. But it's about staying focused, continuing to put one foot in front of the other, continuing to keep that energy fueling forward towards your goals and dreams. And when you do this, the universe is going to match you, is going to meet you where you are, and is going to get to work for you in accelerating things and magnetizing your goals and dreams. But if you don't drive that energy forward, if you don't state clearly your intentions that you desire this, and you start wavering or dissipating the energy away from this, then that can block your manifesting. So make sure you continue to stay focused and move forward on your path. Those were the messages for number 1. Let me know if you chose number 1 and how the messages resonated with you. If you chose number 2, your message is aha moments of clarity are on the way to you. So if you're feeling a bit stuck, lost, or confused, or overwhelmed, and you're not sure what step to take next, what direction to take next, if you're just feeling frustrated and you can't seem to make sense of anything, know that clarity is coming. Clarity is on the way. So the best thing to do is to stop trying to force the answers to come, stop trying to push things forward in a direction that doesn't feel right, or trying to figure out everything, trying to drive yourself crazy with trying to figure it all out and how's it all going to come together and what do I do, and then kind of worrying and having that anxious energy around it. That actually blocks the flow of manifesting. The best thing to do at this time is just let it go, give it over to the universe, give it over to the angels. Trust and know that everything is being guided perfectly. Everything is happening in divine perfect timing and divine perfect order. Let it go, surrender, go do something else. Choose to enjoy your life now amidst any chaos or any confusion. Just do something fun, do something lighthearted, do something that helps you to feel carefree, and let go of whatever it is that's bothering you, whatever it is that you're feeling confused about. Let that go. And that's actually going to create the time and space for the answers to come, for the clarity to come. And the dust will start to settle and things will make sense soon. But if you get into that kind of anxious energy, that worry energy, that panic energy, it chokes the energy, it stops the flow, and you won't be able to see things clearly. And you're going to feel that resistance energy around moving forward. So let it go, take your mind off things, and the clarity is going to come. So those are the messages for number 2. If you chose number 2, let me know in the comments below and how the messages resonated with you. If you chose number 3, this is all about rising above the drama. So if things have been feeling intense, if there's any kind of drama, intense energy, fear-based energy from people around you, situations, it's so important to kind of check in with yourself and not get bogged down in this drama and any of this fear-based energy and any of this negative energy, any of this negative thinking. It's so important to check in with yourself, to kind of stay focused on your own vision, to stay in your own lane, so to speak, and allow any of this negativity to just not touch you in a way. Just let it just do whatever it needs to do. Let the universe take care of it. Again, you can call upon Archangel Michael to transmute any negative energy around you. And make sure that you're staying focused, you're staying centered, you're staying grounded, you're checking in with yourself, and just rise above any of this stuff. Keep a high vibe. This is a little bit of a test from the universe for you to check in and say, how committed to your goal are you? How committed to your dreams are you? Are you going to let these little conflicts or, frustrating situations around you stop you? No, you are not. You're going to keep moving forward with the help and the support of the universe in a state of being centered and focused and knowing that you get to have all of your dreams and your heart's desires, and that all of this is flowing to you now. So those are your messages for number 3. If you chose number 3, let me know in the comments below and how the messages resonated with you. Those are all the messages for this week. Have an amazing week. Make sure to download your free gifts below. Sending loads of love and light to you.